Hakuba Happo 1 is a famous ski resort, but in summer it's used to hike and enjoy the beautiful mountains around it. It takes around 1 hour by bus from Nagano Station, otherwise you can take the train from Matsumoto Station to Hakuba Station, and that also takes around an hour. We are in Hakuba, Nagano Prefecture. We just rode the gondola and now we're gonna ride the lift to get to the top, and then we can walk to the lake. Would be like 1 hour and a half walk, 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's fresh here, even though it's super hot at the bottom. Here it's already better and it's amazing. This place in particular is called Usagi Daira, and it's a break in between the gondola and the lift, 1,400 meters above sea level. It may have changed this year, but last year it was around 3,000 yen for the lift round trip. It's so wide, but we're walking to the lake. This place is famous also for onsen, which I didn't go to, but especially because even if it's summer, you can still see the ice that doesn't melt away completely. It can get pretty chilly too. Question: are we dying? Answer: yes, we are. It's still white, but you can also see some mountains on the other side. Another question: am I starving? Yes. That's why I'm trying to hurry up to the goal so we can eat, but I'm dying. But if you take your time doing this, you will enjoy more, probably. When the sky is blue, it's amazing because also the lake turns blue, of course. But like this, I really like it too. Let's check the other side. It's full of people and kids, probably on a trip. But that's amazing how I don't want an iPad. It's amazing how the clouds just moved away. Don't forget to bring your bento with you, because there's nothing at the summit. Like no cafe, no restaurant. So bring food and water with you. We then just headed to the hotel where they make fresh soba, so we chilled looking at that with some sake tasting. By the way, the white one was amazing, a texture that I never tried before. And food tasted even better because we were that tired. Good morning, guys. It's the second day in Nagano. I'm still tired from yesterday. That didn't seem like that, but it was really tiring. The hiking part. Ew. As I was saying, we had to change place and we're in the middle of the street waiting for a bus, so probably it's gonna be noisy when cars pass by. But anyway, I was saying that, yeah, yesterday I got more tired than expected, probably because I haven't been moving that much for a while, and I haven't been sleeping for a while. And today we're gonna go to Matsumoto Castle and do a wasabi experience, not eating it. There are insects here, and I'm scared. Let's wait for the bus. It seems that clouds want to stay with us for the whole trip. The color of this pond is amazing, as you can see. It's Kamikochi Taisho Ike, so Ike stands for pond. And you can basically walk around it. There's a path that leads you to an actual lake afterwards. Sumitai?
うわ、多い。深いんだね。ね。
ここはね。Japanese mythology believes that special creatures called kappa, they look like this, inhabit rivers with clear water. It's raining, but it doesn't matter. This bridge is called Kappa Bashi, where Bashi stands for bridge, so it's basically called Kappa. And that's why you can find souvenirs like this. On the second floor of the shop I was showing you just a moment ago, there is a restaurant, and now we're here, and it's famous for like pork and chicken, so that's what we call. Now it's raining for real. Thank God we have an umbrella. We didn't, we bought one, to be honest. It's good though that it's raining now and not before, so let's look at the bright side. As I said before, we then went to Matsumoto Castle. We went by car, but there is also a direct bus from the Kappa Bridge. It's a pity that it was raining, but it also gave kind of a magical atmosphere to the castle itself. Even though we couldn't really walk around because it was almost closing. But we still managed to get in and take pictures with the royal characters of the castle. And on our way back to the hotel, we stopped at the wasabi farm. We're at the wasabi farm. What you see over there is all wasabi, and they cover it in summer in order for it not to get too dry, but usually it's super green. And this is a huge farm of wasabi. We had an appointment with the wasabi master. Now, it's not only me that calls him like that, he said that. Such a great person, so funny. And he told me how to make a paste out of wasabi. Did you know that wasabi starts to release its spiciness only 2 days after being cut? I didn't. Also because I don't like wasabi, but that's not the only thing you can do here. In fact, it's a great place to just chill and enjoy nature, and you can try the wasabi croquette or the wasabi ice cream that, surprisingly enough, don't taste like wasabi. Coconut? I guess you will have to find out yourself, because that was it from me in Nagano.